I'm not trying to put people on guilt trips here. But if you're buying stuff from American Mint, Danbury Mint, HSN, please tell your family members that you're buying it because you like it. Don't lead them to think that you're leaving them a legacy or an inheritance that's going to be worth more than what you paid for it, or even worth what you paid for it. This hurts your family members when you do this. When you buy something with a fancy box and you overpay for what it's worth, and then you don't bother telling them that, hey, I'm doing this for fun. This is what I like. I love the box. I love the history. I like the coin, but it's worth a lot less than what I'm paying for it. I'm just having fun. Tell them that. Let them know that. Let me give you an example. Here is a box that I like myself. It actually comes with a key, but I didn't get the key. Someone had already messed with these. You get 2 rolls, a Denver Mint roll and a Philadelphia Mint roll of the 2021 quarters of Washington crossing to Delaware. They look like this. A lot of people haven't seen these. I've seen people walking in the shop and tell me they haven't seen these before in the other quarters. But these came out in 2021. You can buy these rolls right now about $15 a piece. The box itself is probably going to cost you more than the coins. I know it will. Okay. Now, it's nice. I love the history of it. It's not a bad looking box. It's kind of thick, but it's mostly not coin. I mean, these don't even fit in here. Now, this is what Danbury Mint has to say. This is a 2021 Washington Deluxe Collector Set. Who uses the word deluxe to describe coins? I have a deluxe coin roll. I have a deluxe set. I have deluxe mint sets and proof sets in the back on the website. I mean, it's just a throw out word to make it sound fancy. And it's a historic limited edition coins featuring an iconic scene. Limited edition coins. I see these in change all the time. They're limited, but limited in the billions or millions, hundreds of millions. Stunning. 1 year only. Okay. 2021 Washington quarter design featuring General Washington. Okay. We know that. 2 never circulated 50 coin rolls. Okay. But it's in a custom crafted wooden display, including a featured silver and gold tone raised relief sculpted lid depicting. Yeah, supplies are limited. Order today. Okay. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Don't ever fall into the fear of missing out, and don't leave this to your family without letting them know what you're doing. Learn that this is just for fun. You love the box. You love the way it displays. You like the coin, the history. Let them know. Don't do them a disservice by buying this stuff and then not telling them or learning yourself. $189 for this set right here that we're looking at. And I'll tell you this, the family came into the shop. It is actually a grieving woman who, lost their grandpa. And this she thought was going to be kind of a windfall for her because she couldn't imagine that her knowledgeable, intelligent, loving grandfather would buy this kind of stuff if it wasn't worth something and wouldn't be worth more than what he paid for it. I mean, a lot of people, the families, they have these receipts. They know what they paid for it. They know what a family member paid for it. So imagine grieving, needing money for a funeral, and finding this stuff and realizing on top of the death that they overpaid for something. It gives them mixed feelings, and they're in tears when they leave this shop. They're in tears standing up front in our shop crying over this. This hurts your loved ones when you pass and leave them this and don't let them know that you were just having fun or you're just enjoying it. It really does hurt them, I'm telling you. I've been through it too many times here at this shop, and I've done too many videos on it, and I can't stress it more. Please, know what you're doing before you buy stuff like this. At least let your family know that, hey, not really worth much, the box and all. I mean, you can take to a dealer and they'll give you some money for it, or maybe sell it on eBay, but they're just not worth that much money. I have some more examples here I want to show you. I see this all the time. This is also from the Danbury Mint, and not knocking the Danbury Mint. Hey, they sell coins and sets. People buy them. The only thing I don't like is the fact that they do have a high price and they make it sound like they're limited and you better get it now. Those are the two things I do not like. It's the sales tactics. And I'm bashing not here to bash any company, but sales tactics really fool people, especially people who don't know about coins much and they're just buying something and it just looks appealing. It does look appealing. It's a fancy box, right? So this set here, I think it's $119 on their site. We all know that you can get that for less than that. And then they purchased this, and like I said, the coins are authentic. The coins aren't bad. They're not horrible. This is a currency note here, but it's, something like this, maybe $40 for the note in the plastic. That's typical. Just throwing out an average price. It has a little bit of history, which is, it's like I said, there's nothing wrong with it if you like it. But what does the dealer do with this? Do we sell it in the box? Do we pass it on? It says here the last large size $1 silver certificate. It doesn't make it worth a lot more because they made a lot of them. Then we have one like this, and I think someone removed one of the coins, obviously. There was two of these in here. It's a 3-cent nickel. 1865, Stax, 57th State or Street Collection. Looks like it's got a little bit of maybe a problem. It wasn't graded, just genuine. And then you have these two coins that were in here, but this really made for another graded coin. But you have a large cent and you have a 1864 2-cent piece. So you have these two coins. So I don't know what really happened there, but like I said, the box, we'll sell it without this box. And then we have this set, which I really like this. I do like this set. It has the shield. We all know what that is. It's a historical symbolism from the United States. We have it on our cents right now, a similar shield. And when you open it up, it does have the key. This is Civil War era coins. And when we're looking at these, there's the seeded coins, all the coins from the Civil War era. This, to me, is really cool. I love it. You got a Civil War token to go with it. And I don't have any problem with someone buying this with the box and display case. This is something you could display, and it's not horrible. But what do you have to pay for something like this? So this came from PCS Stamps and Coins. Okay. This is where you run into the snag. So what they want to do is ship you one coin, and each coin is $81 per coin. Okay. One coin per shipment, each payable in 2 monthly installments of $42. They ship you a coin, two installments, bi-weekly looks like, and they'll actually send you this box and you can put it in here and display it. Now, I'm going to tell you, as well as I do, when we're looking at these coins here, that these are not worth $81 a piece. Like something like this, $30 max. You might get in the $30 range on each one of these coins, except for, let's see, this is a 1862. Some of them are going to be worth less than 30, but you're getting close to it. Like this one's probably more like, I don't know, $25 range being as worn as it is, maybe 30. But you're talking $81 a coin is what they're charging here. Okay, if you want this set, that's what you have to pay for it. So doing the math, you've got 9 coins. So you have about $270 worth of coins here, okay? Retail. And like I said, they're not in the best condition. It's, there's some of them are kind of nice. This Civil War token's nice. But they all have maybe a little bit of a problem, kind of a little bit of a problem. Not every single one of them. The coppers look okay. It's 1864, not bad condition. But they paid $729 for 270. You can stretch and say $300 worth of coins if you want to, or you could say $250 worth of coins, but anywhere from $250 to $300 worth of coins for $729. You do get a key, and you get this fancy box. And I don't see where they charge for the box. They give you that fancy display case, right? That makes it all worth it. Well, listen, I'm going to tell you something. You can buy the box probably somewhere, I'm sure. Someone might even throw it away. Maybe a dealer will give it to you. And then you can collect the coins, buy them from a dealer, and you're going to pay a lot less to get the same set. Now, It doesn't matter. If you want to pay $1,000 for this set, okay? Let's say you see it in the video and you say, oh, for $1,000, Daniel, I'll pay you $1,000 for that set. And I'm like, well, I won't sell it to you for that. But bottom line is, that's up to you. But when you leave it to your family, put a note in it saying, this is probably not worth what I paid for it, but I love the set, had to have it. Okay? It's no different than, you buy a case of pop and it's really not worth what you're paying for it, but you enjoy it, you love it. And if you die and someone gets half of your case of Pepsi, they know that it's not really worth what you paid for it, but they like the Pepsi too, so they drink it. It's worth the drink. That's what I'm trying to get at. And that's the purpose of the video. Educate yourself, educate your family members, let them know a little bit what you're doing here. Don't be fooled into thinking that when you buy something like this, that it's going to increase in value dramatically, or if you don't buy it now, you're going to miss out, because you're not going to miss out. There's so many coin dealers out there. There's coin shows everywhere. I'm telling you, get on CoinZip. There are coin shows everywhere. I understand there's some states that don't have coin shows all the time, or some areas that are kind of rural, way out there. I mean, and a lot of people don't get a chance to go to the show, but it's worth driving. I mean, it's worth it. Save you some money. Even if you spend $100 in gas, pay $250 for this set, you'd still be in at $350 and not $729. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.